Hello, good morning student. Myself Manju Yadav from Suraj School. Today we are
going to talk about like and unlike fractions. So suppose if I write few fractions like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 2 by 7, or 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So here we have lot of fractions. Now we have to find the like and unlike fractions out of these. So first let's go by the definition. Like fractions are the fractions who have same denominator. So the fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions. So if we see this collection of fractions, we should be able to find the like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions have same denominator. So in the first fraction we have 2 as denominator. Do we have any other fraction with 2 as denominator? No. So let's see the second fraction. In second fraction we have 4 as denominator, right? And then we have here we have one more 4. So we have got one group of like fractions, which is 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, right? Yes. And if we search some more, third fraction has 5 as denominator, and this also has 5 as denominator, and here also we have 5 as denominator. So we have got one more group of like fractions, which is 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and 4 by 5, right? And then in the fifth fraction we have 7 as denominator, and after that we have here we have 7 as denominator. So this is another group of like fractions, which is 3 by 7 and 2 by 7, right? So this is another group of like fractions, and similarly we have one more group of like fractions where the denominator is 3, this and this. So the fourth group of like fractions is 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, right? So we have actually got 4 groups of like fractions. In the first group we have denominator as 4. Here we have denominator as 5, and all of these have denominator as 7, and the last group, that is the fourth group, we have denominator as 3. So from this set of fractions we have actually got 4 groups of like fractions, right? So these are like fractions. So the like fractions are the fractions which have same denominator, and from the given set of fractions we have actually found the like fractions by watching their denominators carefully, right? So this was like fractions. And now if we talk about unlike fractions, if we talk about the definition of unlike fractions have unequal denominators. So if we talk about these fractions which we have already noted down, the group of 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 2 by 3, these all are unlike fractions. Why are they unlike fractions? Because they have different denominators. All of them have different denominators, right? So like fractions are the fractions which have same denominators or equal denominators, and unlike fractions are fractions which have different denominators, right? So this was like and unlike fractions.